Today we're making a refreshing and zesty favorite, the Paloma. This tequila-based cocktail, which means the word pigeon or dove in Spanish, is said to be more popular in Mexico than the margarita. I personally enjoy a mezcal Paloma even more, but I'll save that for a future video. But for now, I want to stick to a classic. No matter what, I'm sure you're going to fall in love with this tequila-based cocktail. Now let me show you how to make it. For this drink, you'll need tequila, freshly squeezed grapefruit, freshly squeezed lime juice. In this case, I have these little bottles because I use a lot of lime juice for my drinks, simple syrup, and 2 ounces of club soda. The tools you'll need for this drink are a shaker set, a strainer, and a fruit peeler. Everything I use in my bar, and more specifically for this drink, is linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials. Starting with the mixing glass, with ice about 1/3 of the way up, you'll want to add 2 ounces of tequila. Next, you'll add 2 ounces of grapefruit juice, and make sure to save a slice or 2 before squeezing for garnish at the end. Now I'm adding 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Now I'm adding 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. It's time to shake everything together for about 15 seconds. Then strain it all into a highball glass filled with fresh ice. Now add the 2 ounces of club soda. And mix it into the glass so it all mixes together. And the last thing you need to do is place that slice of grapefruit on the glass. And there you have it, the very crisp and very refreshing Paloma. Cheers. So refreshing. This is something you can make for a party, taco night, or really just because. And I definitely want to know in the comments, do you love it or do you hate it? And on that note, if you enjoy this channel and more importantly, making delicious cocktails, hit that subscribe button as I put out new videos each week. Also in the comments, let me know what cocktails you want me to make next, and I'll see about getting those out in future videos. But for now, until next time, cheers.